Hey everyone, in this video, I'll be covering the latest info on device limits with ExpressVPN, including how many devices you can connect at once, how that compares to Nord and Surfshark, and whether it's still worth it even if you've got a lot of devices to cover. And if you're looking to compare prices or want to see current discounts, I'll include links in the description for Express, Nord, and Surfshark, along with full reviews for each. So with ExpressVPN, you can connect up to 10 devices at the same time on the basic plan, which is plenty for most people. But if you want even more, you can upgrade to the advanced plan for 12 devices, or the Pro plan and get a total of 14 simultaneous connections. And if 14 isn't enough for your situation, there's actually a really cool workaround. You can install ExpressVPN on your router, and once that's set up, it automatically protects every device connected to your Wi-Fi. So things like smart TVs, streaming sticks, or even your smart fridge, those are all covered without counting against your device limit. It's one of the easiest ways to get full coverage, especially if you've got a busy household or a bunch of devices that can't run VPN apps on their own. Also, if you want help setting that up or just want to skip the setup entirely, I'll include a link below to the ExpressVPN AirCove router, which actually comes with Express already installed. That way you don't have to deal with any configurations. It's all ready to go right out of the box. Now, if you're comparing Express to NordVPN or Surfshark, one of the main differences is the number of devices you can connect. Nord lets you run up to 10 at once, and Surfshark doesn't put a cap on it at all. You can use it on as many devices as you like with just one subscription. So if you're planning to share your VPN with friends or family, that flexibility is a big plus. But where Express still stands out is in how consistently it performs across the board. It's one of the fastest VPNs out there, and it has a long track record of being incredibly stable. It connects quickly, works reliably with streaming platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime, and has one of the most user-friendly apps out there. So even though other VPNs might match it on paper, Express is often the smoother experience in day-to-day use. So for anyone who just wants something dependable across their main devices, whether that's a phone, laptop, Fire Stick, or smart TV, Express is still one of the best options available. And if you do need more than the 14 device limit, installing it on your router gives you unlimited coverage for your entire home network. So hopefully you found this breakdown helpful, especially if you're trying to decide which VPN is going to work best for your setup. And if you've got any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments below. I always enjoy getting to answer as many of those as I can. Also, if you'd like to check out any of these VPNs, I've included links down in the description to current discounts, as well as full reviews if you want a more in-depth look. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.